Today, I'm unboxing my brand new wall panels from Felt Modern, showing you guys the packaging, LEDs, and all the colorways you could get. Alright, let's unbox the panels I've been working on a year in the making, out of my parents' house. You can see we got our beautiful logo right here on the box. Now, let's open this bad boy up and see what's inside. Ooh! We got the screws provided in there. Oh yeah! Yeah, it smells like wood. Oh my gosh! Yeah. Pass the smell test. This is the same color we used for Amory's kitchen, actually. Literally when we first started doing this and we were like testing out the shipping with the wider panels, they were breaking on us. Luckily we didn't sell it to anyone like that. That would have been really bad. But we kind of went back to like the brainstorming and worked with the manufacturer and stuff, and who would have known you had to like engineer boxes and come up with like protective pieces, you know, for corners and here we go, natural oak. Sexy. Smell test? Yeah. Okay, so just for comparison, these are the three colors we offer. We have charcoal oak, smoked oak, and natural oak. Again, all three of these use real oak veneer, so you could stain this if you wanted to, or you could just leave it plain. We have a 9mm felt backing here, as well as thicker MDF slats, which means if you get our LEDs, as you can see, the LED diffuser is perfectly flush with the slats, and they're not like protruding. We tried to like think of everything to make this product the best it could be, as well as just like cheaper than the competition. I should probably make a video comparing other brands out there, but for now, these are the specs of our panels, and you could buy them right here on this QR code. You can't really go wrong with any of these colors. It just depends on the vibe you're trying to go for. We're able to keep the prices so low and competitive just because we don't spend money on a bunch of advertising unlike other companies. But because of that, it means we heavily rely on word of mouth and organic promotions through like making YouTube videos. If you guys want to support a small business, then make sure to share this video and tell your friends and family about Felt Modern if you guys want to make your space feel a little more modern. Get it? Because Felt Modern? No? Okay.